I was wondering if you could start to help your cousin with the family business.
I thought all I'd been doing since I got here was helping you out.
You have, but I mean officially. I need more drivers for the gas company. I'll pay you properly.
Okay, then.
Just call me whenever you want to take a fare. You can do as many as you like, Rico. There are always more customers.
He's talking about holistics.
Ballistics, man!
Mom, that hurt! Start, you turd, start!
Hey! Do you know you're in the way?
Come on, run away, man.
Okay! Hey, baby! Help! I'm not a fire! Talk about, I want to make this year off a person who can't breathe right. I want to make that much off this doctor.
Turn right.
Whoa!
You are giving me a headache. In 200 yards.
Don't need one. Walk one.
All right, getting by.
Yo, we need your help with stuff, You come on my place and do that street.
Sure, I was looking to branch out a bit anyway. I'll see you soon.
In 100 yards. Turn right.
Just don't trepanate me, please. I'll pay
I'm glad this is not my car.
In 200 yards. Turn left.
You can't grow or
This is nonsense.
Oh, no. Westbound on Mohawk Avenue.
Это единственное мое
Back to unit from OB.
You, out of there, come on.
Get out of here!
You have not seen the last of me!
Pulling a green, got a G. So she sends me out to
Запомни, если хочешь делать деньги, приходи работать на меня.
Where can I get
Ah, Yoko, there you are. Okay.
Glad.
Come on, let's go for a walk, okay?
Right.
Okay, come on.
I don't even like
Where are we going?
To my car.
Why?
Because of your cousin owed me a lot of money, and until he pays me, you're fresh off the boat. Yoko, ass is mine. What the fuck you mean, why?
Hey, you are a pretty relaxed guy, huh, Vlad?
Come on! Подвинься, старая ведьма! Come on, Yoko!
What's wrong with you? You gonna jump me?
No, I had a late night last night. Spent it with Mikhail.
Great.
Yeah, wild!
Yeah, I guess you're right.
So who the hell is Mikhail?
Mikhail's the man. Shit! My nose is bleeding. Is my nose bleeding?
No, not yet.
Fuck this. Come on! Wait! I'm walking here! Let's go! Damn city, always trying to run you down, huh?
Hey, man, can I borrow
Get
$1?
that job,
Hey,
you deadbeat
Just
truckhead!
a little change, man.
Man, where do these people get off? Like I'm gonna pay for their truck habits. Well, say something! You're so fucking laid back! Moron! Come on! want some? Good.
We walked all the way over here so you could snort coke?
No, listen. That's better. Huh? That's better. Man, Mikhail gets the good stuff. It's got some laxative in it, though. Gives you a stomach problem.
Nice detail.
Yeah, listen, where were we?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. So, I need you to head up to Duke's and get a car for me. It's a silver blister, and it's parked on the projects by EIC subway station, okay?
Sure. You got keys?
No, you're cool. I need you to take the car. Asshole owes Mikhail some money. Take his car instead, huh?
We gonna drive over there?
What?
Are we gonna drive over there?
No! You're gonna take the train, buddy. You think I wanna be in the car with a peasant? Come on. I'm gonna go meet somebody. Have a little
Okay.
party.
Fine. Have fun, dickhead.
Oh, shit!
Even in Russia, I enjoyed American.
Hey, buddy, do not do that again.
The train approaching is the 3 train bound for Shuttler Station.
Hey, baby.
I'm fit, man. Don't push it.
This car belonged to Vlad.
No, it's mine. Who asked you? You ain't gonna jack Jimmy's car off him, son. You don't want any of this. Kanye West.
See, the science of it's a lot like my new film. There's a chase scene on the Los Santos freeway. And
I have your new car, Vlad. It's not pretty, though. Real dirty.
Dirty? I can't sell a dirty car. I know your cousins like them dirty. Maybe your whole family drives around in the dirty car, but it's not the way over here. Fucking peasants don't do nothing right.
Hey, I could fuck this car up worse than a little dirt.
Relax, man. You should lose your age. There's a car wash over on Saratoga Avenue. Just to take it over there, and then to my lockup just up Mohawk. Did they give the car up easy?
It was easy. I didn't even have to hurt the guy.
Good. Dead guys can't pay interest. You were learning.
Okay, we're back on the Intelligent Agenda with me, Mike Riley. Let's bring out our next guest. Brandon, can you hang out for a while?
You got it.
All right, scoot over the coast there. All right, next up, he's an actor as well, but has gotten into politics by running for governor of our state. You may have seen the TV commercials for John Hunter where he accuses Michael Graves of all kinds of nasty things. Well, here he is, John Hunter.
Thank you. That's really wonderful.
Wow, you look great, John. How's the campaign going?
Mike, it's just fantastic. We're making a difference by giving the networks millions of dollars to run campaign ads. It's democracy at a grassroots level. Fundraising is going really well. I haven't sold myself out at all. I've learned a lot.
That's definitely a hate crime.
Years of bit parts. Bring the quality of TV dramas from the love. first and ask questions later. But people have to understand that the internet is a series of tubes, and strange men want to put their privates in the other side of that tube and right into your child's bedroom. As a conservative liberal, I feel it's my duty to try it. My financial stake in it, and then regulate it. It's a win-win. And the best bit is, we can all feel guilty together.
Wow, let's go back to the phones then. Steve, you're on Intelligent Agenda.
Hi, Mr. Hunter. I really enjoy your campaign commercials. It's the best part of election season. The 18 months of attack ads where you have no clue what's going on, and you learn to hate everyone.
Well, thank you very much.
I was hoping you could do something about these air shows. Why do planes have to fly so close together over a crowd of people? Oh boy, there's a jet farting smoke. Big deal! It's polluting the atmosphere. People are actually shocked when these planes crash. Gee, you're doing Mach 2 with your incidents report. Air shows suck ass.
Now, safety is one of the main parts of my campaign. We've had enough of these dividers. We want the whole enchilada to come together as a nation because we all like Mexican food. Now, let's stop big government running things for the little guy. I want to make sure everyone has access to opportunities they can afford. It's the American way. It's all in my best-selling campaign book.
Next caller, you're on with John Hunter.
And Brandon Roberts.
Oh, yeah, of course, Brandon Roberts. Hello, Jay.
Yeah, Mr. Hunter?
I put the car in your lockup.
You're not as stupid as you look, yokel. Come back to see me at the bar soon.
You want to die, buddy?
You motherfucker!